Good day, y'all. It's Elder Pamela Robinson Smith back on my pulpit porch with a good word. So, this weekend has been quite eventful for me and my husband. Um, as part of our organization, Utopia, You to Proclaim It Anointed, we have a retail arm of the business, the ministry. It is retail therapy for Utopia. And yesterday we were vending at Elmwood United Presbyterian Church, where they we host the Eugenia Marketplace. It was a blessed time. This is our second time doing the Eugenia Marketplace. It was a great turnout. Always good to talk to the community and share what you offer that could possibly help them or their family. And today we were at the Celebration of Voices Marketplace, which was a celebration of culture. So they had different vendors that were representing for different cultures and diversity, a topic that's a hot topic in the news. That was also a beautiful event. Just being able to explain who we are and what we do and why we do it. Why we do it is because our people need to understand what holistic wellness is and that it is affordable and achievable right in their own neighborhoods. So, needless to say, your girl is tired. My muscles are speaking to me in a language that hurts. But I feel blessed because I got to not just share the goodies that we handcraft and curate for wellness, for the 8 dimensions of wellness, but also to network. And I feel like it's important for us to talk to people to understand different perspectives and diverse values and beliefs, and just so we can coexist peacefully, right? Um, Before my day started, I did get news that one of my aunts has gone on to glory after being ill for a while. And it just, when I got the news, it's an aunt from the other side of my family, like the in law. My family's so crazy; they call the outlaws the in laws. But Aunt Edna, she was funny. She always had something humorous to say. She was loving and kind, and it did set a mood of gratitude for me. I'm grateful because I had a very blessed and rich childhood with aunts and uncles that taught us family values and how to treat people and how to be expected to be treated, and that you have to laugh sometimes because Aunt Edna was too funny most of the time. She always reminded me of Grandma Vaughn because she looks just like her. So it's been a very fulfilling weekend, rewarding. Um, like I said, I truly have a attitude of gratitude, just based on the beautiful people that we encountered this weekend. And I just want to encourage you not to get outside of your bubble. We get in our silos. Sometimes we have our own private life and we really don't get out and get to know people. Um, and let them know you. Open your heart. Opening your heart, being a little vulnerable to make a new friend, a new associate is something that is necessary. That's how we can coexist peacefully and not and then realize that you may have a resource to offer somebody or somebody may have a resource to offer you. So it has been a blessed weekend. I am tired, but it's a good tired. And so I said, while I have a quiet moment, even though my neighborhood is not necessarily quiet as per usual, I figured I would get on and just say, hey, and how you doing? And I hope that everything is going good with you. Um, It's going good. It's been a good week, good weekend, and I'm hopeful about tomorrow and the next day and the next day. If God's will, I will see you again soon. Have a wonderful week. Network, go out and meet and make a new friend. You'll thank me later. Take care of yourself. Bye.